Subhanallah.
Interrupt. I just wanted to add something, and that is I'm noticing a trend more so with the coming generations than my generation, I guess. And that is a lot of people just want to chit-chat. You feel me? They just want to chit-chat. And they want to keep chitting-chatting, okay? And chit-chatting. And it's really fun, and it's cool, but don't want to actually commit. Please, to those people say, ain't nobody got time. Please realize that your worth is far too high to waste your time with people just looking to chit chat, okay? If a man, as she said, is actually serious about wanting to get married, he will want to approach your wali, your father, early on in the whole conversation. And if you find that he is absolutely hesitant about that step, then he may be a chit-chatter. And ain't nobody got time for chit-chatters, I promise you. And so what I'll say to you is, please save yourself a lot of headache and heartache and time, and don't even go down that road, all right? So one is, are you at a stage where you can get married? That's very important, obviously. But the other is this person actually serious about getting married, or are they just looking to fill up some time because it's fun? And this whole idea, well, let's just be friends. Oh, no. I'm very serious, and I'm looking for marriage, and I'm not interested in just chit-chatting. So make sure that you have, one of the best indicators is, okay, can you talk to my dad? And realize talking to someone's dad doesn't mean you're gonna do nikah the next day in 24 hours. Talking to someone's dad is just means I'm serious about the intention of marriage. It doesn't mean that now you're khalas, that's it, you're stuck. Talking to someone's dad doesn't mean you're stuck. It just means that I am serious about this process. And we need to reinstitute that tradition. Please, God, let's go back to that. But we as women have to kind of have boundaries. We really have to have boundaries. And men too, brothers too. So I just wanted to add that little thing.